Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get an API key. An API key is a unique identifier that authenticates your requests when interacting with a web service. It acts like a digital password, ensuring only authorized applications can access data. These keys also help service providers monitor usage, often allowing millions of requests per month on free plans. Understanding their purpose is the first step to successful integration. The next step is to choose the right API service for your project. Whether you need data for weather forecasts, mapping, or something else, many providers offer excellent options. Once you have selected a service, navigate to their official website. You will typically need to register for a new account, providing your email address and creating a secure password to get started. After successfully registering and logging in, locate the developer dashboard or the dedicated API section within your account. Here, you will find the option to generate your API key. This is often labeled Create Key or Generate API Key. You might be prompted to give your key a descriptive name and configure specific permissions, ensuring it only accesses what it needs. With your API key generated, it is time to integrate it into your application. Always embed the key securely within your code, not directly in client-side scripts. Crucially, never expose your API key in public code repositories like GitHub. For enhanced security, many services allow you to restrict key usage to specific IP addresses or web domains, adding an extra layer of protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.